Hello, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go over lesson 6, growing and learning. So by the end of this, you're going to know how animals learn and grow, and you're going to know the difference between innate behavior and a learned behavior. All right. Now, innate is one of our vocabulary words, and
Innate.
it is an adjective, so that means that it describes a behavior or trait that is inherited from its parents. And then an instinct is anything that an animal knows how to do without having to learn it. Okay, so an innate behavior is maybe, well, I'll go on and read, and then we'll talk about it at the end. Okay, so first I'm gonna let you listen to this little video here. This is a mouse in a maze. Now, this is Martha. She likes cheese, and she is put into a strange box with all these walls. She can smell the cheese, but she needs to know how she can get there. So she keeps running into the walls, and then sometimes she'll find an opening, and then it leads her to even more hallways. But eventually, Martha finds the cheese. She is only able to eat a little cheese before she is picked up and moved back to where she started. So she has to find the cheese all over again. She remembers where some of the different openings are that led to the cheese. And then this time she finds the cheese much faster. Martha keeps getting moved to the beginning of the maze. After about 10 times, she's able to run through the maze right to the cheese. She has learned the path of the maze. All right, so an instinct. Well, how does an animal grow and learn? All animals are born knowing some behaviors that help them survive. These are things, they know these things because of instinct, okay? And an instinct, remember, is how anything an animal knows how to do without having to learn it first. So here's a few examples. When a baby snake is born, it knows how to slither and it knows what to eat. A baby bird knows how to open its beak to get food. An adult bird knows how to make a nest. A baby fish knows how to swim. Spiders are born knowing how to make spider webs. And beavers are born knowing how to make dams. And babies cry when they are hungry. All animal instincts are innate. Innate means an animal is just born with it. Innate behaviors are inherited from their parents. So animals have many innate survival skills. When many reptiles, fish, and insects are born, no other animal teaches them anything. No other animal takes care of them. They have to survive on their own. So they survive with the instincts that they are born with. All right, now let's go to learning. Not every action by an animal is done because of instinct. So some of these actions that they do have to be learned. So when you were little, you did not know how to walk or talk, right? You had to learn how to do that. So just like birds, they have to learn how to fly. And a child, they have to learn how to ride a bike. You can't just be born and know how to ride a bicycle, right? A lion, they have to learn how to hunt. A mouse, they learn how to run through the maze to get the food at the other end, just like in the video above. So animals, they learn new things in two different ways. So the first one is animals learn from an adult, usually one of their parents. And lion cubs learn how to hunt from their parents. Baby wolves, they watch other pack members hunt, and then soon they'll be able to hunt. And then second, animals learn from experience. So the mouse running the maze learns how to quickly get through the maze. It learns by experience. It does it over and over and over again. So here is a little chart. You can look at these and then do the review at the end, guys. If you need to rewatch this, that's totally fine. Make sure that you go back and look for answers if you don't know them.